Hi everyone, welcome to our channel TechStudios. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can log in into the Xbox account. For that, you just need to open any web browser on your device. After you open the web browser, on the top you will see the search bar and you need to search in the Xbox One on the URL and click enter in your keyboard. You'll be guided to this page where on the first option you will see the Xbox official site link. So click on it. After that you will be guided to this page where when you scroll down you will see the sign in option. Click on it. You will be guided to this page where you need to enter your email, phone or Skype. After you enter your credential, here you need to click on the next option, and here the code will be sent to your phone number that you previously entered. You need to enter the code that is sent on your phone number and you need to click on the sign in option. After you click on the sign in, you will be easily signed in into the Xbox. So this is it guys. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button. Thank you.